Let's just start off with the experience. 14 years of full round experience. I've had short sale negotiation experience working at a law firm. I have title closing experience, financing, underwriting. I have the team behind me to support. I have to say that my clients and my families describe me as very positive and very energetic. I also had this one particular story where I had my son 2 years ago and I was actually closing a deal in the delivery room. My client noticed, they were in shock. They were in shock that I was almost 8 centimeters dilated and I was here scheduling properties, speaking to the other agent, speaking to my broker, getting everything scheduled. That meant a lot to me. Then my client realized how much it means to me, my business, making sure that I am there to meet their needs. I am Natalie Zapata, your favorite South Florida realtor, and let me help you find your spot. This is the key to your home.